let's learn the difference between past perfect continuous and past perfect simple.
Past perfect simple and continuous.
Has the concert already started?
Yes, the concert started 20 minutes ago.
When I arrived, the concert had started. By the time I got in, the band had been playing for 20 minutes.
We use the past perfect simple for a completed action or event that happened before a specific time in the past. We use the past perfect continuous for a longer action or situation that was happening before a specific time in the past.
After the concert, I wanted to take a picture with the musicians, so I waited for them. When they finally came out, I'd been waiting since 10 o'clock. I'd been outside for 2 hours. And I was exhausted because I had been standing all that time.
With action verbs, we use the past perfect continuous with for and since to say how long an action had been in progress. However, with state verbs, such as be, want or know, we use the past perfect simple with for and since to say how long an action had been in progress. We can also use the past perfect continuous to show the cause of something in the past. We form the past perfect continuous with had been and the ing form of the main verb. The form is the same for all persons. We usually use short forms, especially in spoken English. We form the negative of the past perfect continuous with hadn't been and the ing form of the main verb. We form yes or no questions like this. We usually reply with a short answer using had or hadn't.
Choose the correct answers to complete the sentences, Adelina. Let's see. If you don't understand something, then we can always go back to the reference.
Um, he told me his cat had died. Do I press check or
Yes,
next?
you can press check if you want to see if your choice is correct or not.
Okay. I realized uh, I hadn't brought any money with me.
Okay, nice.
How long had you How long had you been knowing he was ill?
Okay, now let's explain why this is wrong. Do you remember the reference or should we go back?
Um,
Why do you think this is the wrong choice?
I think this is the wrong choice because past perfect continuous is used with um, uh, stative verbs, actions.
So it's the other way around. Look, can you read this?
We usually use the past perfect simple and not the past perfect continuous when we are talking about states rather than actions with verbs like be, have, no.
Okay, does it make sense now? And here we
Yes.
have the example. Exactly the same
Ah,
word, verb.
okay.
Can you read that too?
We'd known each other for about 5 years before we became friends.
Now is it clear?
Yes.
These are the stative verbs. So be, have, no. So don't forget
Okay.
about those. So go ahead and do the next one, the last one here.
Um, we'd been talking for hours when we finally reached a decision.
Mm-hmm. Okay, wonderful.
Do I press the result?
Yes, you can press it. Awesome. Well done. Number 6. Go ahead.
Um, Jessica, um, Jessica had broken her leg and was in a wheelchair.
Okay, nice.
I'd been playing tennis, so I had a shower.
Okay, good.
Um, a tree had fallen onto a car in the previous night storm.
Okay,
I was surprised to see Tom as he hadn't been being at college for weeks.
Are you sure?
Mhm.
Do you remember the state verbs?
Oh, yes, be, know, and
Have.
have.
Mhm,
So it's hadn't been.
mhm. Okay.
My phone had been ringing all day, so finally I switched it off.
Switched it off. Okay. Perfect. Wonderful. You can check the results, but it's pretty obvious. Okay. And I think that you understand this grammar point pretty well, right?
Yes.
How do you feel about it now?
Well, now I think I'm more confident about it.
Good.